What is up, you guys? Well, today we're working at the golf course. Slow day today. Nico will not be joining us. He has an appointment he has to make. But it's gray, it's windy, it's cold. We got ourselves a dirty dump truck. We got the 8-foot Fisher on there, XLS wings. Thing works awesome. Today we're going to be detailing this friggin' thing. She's a little dirty outside and inside, so we'll get a few videos of this going on, and we'll have some fun. So you can see this thing's filthy. Paint's chipping. Sorry about the wind. Wood chips everywhere. I mean, filthy. So, gonna head into the shop. Boom. So we have this great heated power washer. Runs on diesel. Thing's awesome. So we'll start with that. Get that fired up. We'll start the wash. Good to go. Shout out to McGuire's. They offer some of the best automotive cleaning products ever. I use it almost everything on all my daily driver, which is Jetta. You'll see later in the channel. Try and use it on everything. I mean, it's the cleanest of clean, smells great, looks good. This is the wash and wax, the ultimate stuff. I mean, can't get any better than that. I'm gonna start soaping down the cab of the truck. In a while since we washed it, probably about 6-7 months. So bear with me, it's going to be a long process, but we're going to get this thing shining. Alright guys, I don't know if I said this before, it's a 2011 F350 6.2 gas. I didn't choose it, but got the outside pretty much clean. Shout out to Ultra Bright Lights helping us with the plow, keeping us noticed and seen when we're plowing in the snow. There is some damage, nothing crazy, it's a work truck, you know. Got the dump bed as clean as I could. That stuff is caked on there. I'm gonna have to get a shovel, not too worried about it right now. Like I said, we're gonna be using it for tree work. I'll give it one last rinse down after we get the inside clean. But let me show you the inside. We have chipped wood. We have a chipper. We chip wood into the back of this thing. I mean, it is filthy. You know, absolutely filthy. Broken windshield. That was another story I'll tell you about later. But I'll pull this inside the shop. I'll pull out some equipment, pull it inside, and we'll get this thing cleaned. Well, she just barely fits in here. We'll get the inside cleaned up. Luckily, it's pretty much all rubber interior. You know, got some tire shine for the final go around. All right, so first things first, I'm gonna get all the trash out of here. Gloves, the water bottles back there. Nice coffee's almost done. Phone's on the trash. And then we'll get in here. Get the vacuum, we'll power wash all the floor mats and wipe down, just cleaner on the door panels, the dash, everything. I don't want to go too into detail with this. But we'll get it clean and make it look brand new again. You know what we're going to do? Cut the air hose. Get some compressed air. We'll try and blow a lot of it out first before we wipe it down. I think that might be easier than the vacuum for right now. I also want to apologize for the filming quality. I'm using a GoPro from like 2006, so within the next couple weeks I'll be purchasing probably Hero 8 Black or Hero 9 Black. But for right now we're working with what we got, so we're going to continue blowing this out, and we'll get the floor mats cleaned, we'll get this wiped down, and it should be good to go. Alright guys, so what we're going to do, I'll get some all-purpose cleaner, some rags, we'll wipe down the whole inside, we'll back the truck out, we'll rinse it off one last time, we'll hit the tires with the tire shine, hook up the plow, should be good to go. Also, sorry for the lighting. I mean, we're working to upgrade this place. Nico's going to be moving in the next couple weeks. We're going to be cleaning this entire place out, organizing, getting new light fixtures, fixing the original lights in here, so it can be an actual shop and he can actually see stuff. So, all right, we'll carry on. If you're curious with what I'm using, it's just Windex. You know, this is Budget Ridaz. We ball on a budget. Windex is the all-purpose cleaner. like I said, Meguiar's, some of the best products ever. For us budget riders, can't get any better than some tire shine. Your car could be as dirty as possible, throw some tire shine on there, everyone think it'll roll just right off the lot. I'm gonna hit this thing up with some tire shine, make it look brand new again. Hey guys, thank you for watching the first episode on our channel, Budget Ridaz. There'll be a lot more content going on. We've been trying to organize everything really for the future. Nico's got a ton of projects coming up. We're going to be rebuilding his Subaru Legacy's engine. He's got a Impreza RS with a built 22B. I've got my Jetta, which will be miscellaneous stuff, more fun stuff than anything. Nico builds drones, flies drones for fun. That'll be a big part. And a lot of golf course content. Like, comment, subscribe. I mean, we're up for anything. We're the Budget Ridaz. We do budget builds for the everyday worker. If you have any suggestions, please put in the comments. Follow us on our Instagram on Budget Ridaz. Get ready for more content. See you later.